Hello everyone, in this video, we will show you how to stop an iOS update that has already started downloading. First, you'll want to pause the download by temporarily disconnecting your iPhone or iPad from your Wi-Fi network. The easiest way to do this is by enabling airplane mode. Open Control Center. Tap the airplane button in the top left of the Control Center grid. Next step is, launch the Settings app. Tap General. Tap iPhone Storage. Locate the iOS software update in the app list. Tap on it. Tap Delete Update. Confirm the delete by tapping it again in the pop-up. That's it. You have successfully stopped the download of your iOS update. Once the iOS update has been deleted, if you return back to the Software Update section, you will find it can be downloaded and installed again at any time. If you're stopping an iOS update to avoid an update for some reason, and you have automatic iOS updates enabled, then you might want to turn that off, otherwise, the update will download and install again, on its own in the middle of the night, if the iPhone or iPad is plugged in and on Wi-Fi. Hope this video helps you. For more videos like this, please subscribe to our channel.